On the point of driving and autonomous vehicles, Li Auto actually announced their Chinese electric vehicle company. They announced their January 2021 delivery update, and they had great numbers. Again, they had a 355% year-over-year increase of their deliveries, and they delivered 5,379 Li Ones in January of 2021. For those of you who don't know, Li One is a Chinese electric vehicle maker. They work specifically on hybrids and electric vehicles, and they have one model currently called the Li One. That is their only model. Downside, though, is they delivered 5,379 vehicles in January 2021, but in December of 2020, they actually delivered more than that. They delivered over 6,000 vehicles in December of 2020, and a lot of investors were not happy about this. I was invested in Li Auto for a while. I got in when it was around $16, $17 a share. Now it's over $30 a share. But a lot of investors want to see this consistent growth. Every time we see these delivery numbers decrease, no matter if it's for Tesla or NIO or Li Auto, every time we see them decrease, whether it's just that month or that quarter, causes the stock price to go down. Investors get a little more worried about the price of the stock because all these EV companies have such high valuations. They have such high hopes that they're going to deliver massive results in the future. They're going to be delivering tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of vehicles that whenever we see them not beat expectations, it's sort of a little shock to the system for investors, and it's a little reality check. So the company, when they announced these deliveries for January of 2021, they also announced the establishment of a new research and development center in Shanghai, and it's dedicated to the development of cutting-edge vehicle technologies. Some technologies they are working on and have been working on are making a new vehicle. They want to add a new vehicle to their lineup, but they also are doing research on high-voltage platforms, ultra-fast charging technologies, autonomous driving technologies, next-generation intelligent cockpits, operating systems, and computing platforms. So, in my opinion, they've raised billions of dollars this past year. It's going to be very important for them to continue to push towards innovating and changing this space. We're seeing a lot of companies, a lot of stocks that I've spoken about previously, like EVgo, which is a fast-charging company. I think that's a great stock to be looking at, and if you want to learn more about that, you want to talk to me more about that, you can join our group on Patreon using the link down below, where I do tell you guys when I buy and sell in real time. But yes, EVgo, I think, is a great EV charging company. We also have autonomous driving technologies, and a lot more in the EV space and battery space that have been growing rapidly. And there's a lot of great stocks here. Li Auto, I think, is a good investment right now. I don't think electric vehicles are going away anytime soon. Li Auto is in the Chinese market, and the Chinese government isn't going to let these companies fail. It just simply won't. They're going to put regulations into place to make sure that Li Auto and their competitors are going to succeed. And speaking of their competitors,